Good morning, guys. Today I am at one of my favorite places to photograph birds, and I thought I would show you how I go around, how I take some pictures, what I do. It's quite early, 6 a.m. The sun has just started to rise. It's a beautiful morning with beautiful light. We got some fog on the water. I hear a lot of birds already. So yeah, no time to waste. Let's go. There are some swifts flying here really close by, so I'll try to capture one of those. They're so fast. Okay, I think I've got a few shots, but it's really difficult. Okay, there's a bird. It's quite rare to see. I hope I can capture it in time. I'm stuck. It's called the Sedis warbler. Come on, come on. Oh. Of course, it just flew away, always. Okay, let's try to find it. I hear a lot of birds, but I don't see any. Wait, there it is. Oh, it's so far away. Oh, let's try and get a little bit closer. Okay, we've got beautiful light, we've got a nice view, and there are some birds here. So I'll just stick around here, wait and see what happens, and try to capture some images. This is cool. Come on. Not so far away. So yeah, it's actually really difficult to film myself and to shoot birds because it's happening so fast. I mean, I see a bird, then I have to set up this camera on the tripod, then I have to get my photo camera, and when I aim at the bird, it's already gone, so it's quite difficult. So I'm now moving to a different location, where I hope it's going to be a lot easier. We'll see. So I'm back at the boats and there are two swifts sitting on a rope. I'm not sure if you can see it. Let me try. They're over there. So I'm going to try to capture them. I need to get around them. Oh yes. Oh, this is so difficult. Whoa. So difficult. Whoa. They're so extremely fast. And when they're up in the sky, you have to overexpose. When they're lower, I have to underexpose, so it's quite difficult. Oh. So I'm not sure what they're called in English. I think some kind of stern, and they're hunting on the water. So I'm hoping they get a little bit closer. They're quite far away now. They just landed on the rope. Ah, they're gone again. I think I have one shot though. Oh man, it's really hard. All right. So I moved to this location now. There's quite some activity. And I really like this place because the background is very far away. I can shoot downward and there are quite some nice perches for birds to land on. So I'm just gonna stick around here, waiting for some action. Oh, that's actually quite cool. Wow, that was really difficult to photograph birds, record myself with the video. Really challenging, but I liked it. I hope you liked it as well. I took some decent shots, not too bad. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and consider subscribing. And I'll see you next time.